Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Picoworkers. Now, I've made other videos about Picoworkers in the past, and I know the challenges that you guys have for the feedback that you've given me personally. Some of you have talked about not being able to withdraw their funds and the IP address conflict. We're going to be dealing with all of that in this video, right? So before we jump to my screen and let me show you practicalize these things, I want to encourage you that if you're here to subscribe to my channel, I want you to hit the subscribe button right now and bell notification button. And if you want to sign up for Picoworkers, there's a link in shop box below, so just hit it and sign up. So let's go to my screen, guys, and let's get started on this Picoworkers tutorial, guys. Let's go. So guys, this is Picoworkers. This is the new interface for 2020. They recently changed their website, and this is what it looks like right now. So if you want to come to Picoworkers, you're going to see business owners ask people to help you. You can actually get people to do stuff for you. And freelancers, you do work and get paid. So this is what we're going to be looking at, where you actually work on this website and get paid. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be starting from the beginning. I create a fresh account, set it up, and show you guys exactly how everything works. So Picoworkers are online that connects freelancers around the world with business owners. So you can actually set up a task and get people to do it for you. But in this video, I'm focusing on you doing the task and getting paid. Now, the money on Picoworkers is not much. The money you're going to make here is not much, right? And but it adds up to something. They say that one drop of little drop of water makes a mighty ocean, right? And from experience, I've come to realize the fact that wherever you make with the dollar online, you can make $1,000 from it. So yeah, you can pay with cryptocurrency, and they can also pay you out in cryptocurrency. So you can just go to Bitcoin wallet and create a Bitcoin account, cryptocurrency account. If that's something you want to know how to do, let me know in the comment section, and I'll make a video showing you how to create a cryptocurrency account, so you can start receiving bitcoins and trading bitcoins and all of that. If that's something you're interested in, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to consider making that video. So yeah, so what we're going to be doing right now is we're going to just start now. So we're going to hit on sign up. If you already have an account, you just hit on login, right? So we're just going to hit on sign up, to all right. I'm just going to put in my name here. Password. I'm just going to choose the password, nickname, online hustle. Select country. I'm going to select my country. Of course, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm just going to select this. So if you're in the US, you select US. You're in Canada, you select Canada. Whatever country you are, you're in Ghana, you select it. So I'm just going to come here and hit sign up. I'm typing my password, then I hit sign up. Okay, yeah, almost there, Gerald. So just going to save this on my So confirm your email address. So I'm just going to go to my email. Okay, so if you're going to this email right now, we're going to see this is the email that we're looking for, right? So I hit open, and the email opens right here. So we're going to click here to activate your account. So click on activate your account. You have to full email address. So I'm just going to click here right now, and our Picoworkers account is activated. You see, so they logged me in. So you see that I've earned $0. I've spent zero right here, and I have zero pending, right? So everything is on zero because we just created an account. So yeah. So at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the options of paying out, how you can actually collect your money from Picoworkers, because that's one of the challenges that you guys are having, right? And if you open your account exactly the way I've done it right now, you'll not be having that IP address. I'm going to explain this further towards the end of this video. So it's important that you watch the video to the very end so that you understand everything about Picoworkers and how it works, right? And at the end of it, I'm going to be showing you some alternatives to Picoworkers, right? I'm going to be showing you at the end of the video just so we are clear. Alternatives. I'm going to be telling you about withdrawal, how to withdraw your money. Then I'm also going to be talking to you about the IP conflict, which is the issue that a lot of persons do have. So yeah, so right now we've seen Picoworkers, we've seen how it works. We're on find jobs. Each time you log in, you're just going to come here and find jobs. So these are jobs that people actually want done for them. So what this means is this person wants you to sign up on Crisp, and this person has 70 openings. 32 has been completed, so you still have a chance to actually get this done, right? So, and it's open for international, to everybody from every country can actually do this. Download and install. And for this task, you are going to be paid $0.12, which is 12 cents. For this, you're going to be paid 8 cents. For this, you're going to pay 16 cents and 14 cents and all that. And this one is actually plenty. That's 500 opportunities right here, you know. So there's a whole lot that you can actually do. So right now, we're just going to choose one, do it, and you're going to see that we're going to get paid. So once we do it now, our money will come to pending. And once the owner of the vendor, the business owner approves our job, the money is going to come to end, right? So right here, I'm just going to go all the way down and find something simple that we can actually do right now. This one says create an account on Gmail. This one says Amazon Audible sign up, offer complete. So these are some of the simple things that you can actually do and get paid. So I'm looking for something that we can do right now. I don't want to go through the hassle of creating a Gmail account because it's going to make it very long. I don't want it to be unnecessarily long. So let me find something that we can actually do. Okay, so this one said that we should just follow him on Twitter. That's all you need to do, just follow him on Twitter. So you have a Twitter account, you just follow him on Twitter and you get paid. I can actually do it, but I'm not sure my Twitter is logged in right here on my phone, on my laptop. So let's do this. And we're going to get paid 0.2 cents. So I'm just going to hit this. Okay, so it says you are first time submitting the tag. Let us know a little more about you. I'm male, right? My date of birth, I was born 30th 03. So I was born on this date, city closest to you, Lagos. Lagos. Save, right? So you can select the city that is very close to you. So you see that Twitter follow from these countries, right? And my country is one of it, one of the required places. So I can actually get this job done. So 302 has been done, and this person is looking for 2009 followers. So 302 has been completed. So 302 persons have actually done this job and sent him stuff, and he's going to be approving it in 7 days' time. And yeah, this is the category it falls under and all that, right? So what we are going to do is that what is expected from workers. So this is very important for you to pay attention to this. What is expected from you as a worker so that your job will get approved and you are going to get paid. Because if you don't get approved, you're not going to get paid. That's how it works. So note, your Twitter account must be real with a profile picture, bio, and some tweets to show in your account. Go to so and so address. So you're just going to highlight this. I'm just going to right click on it and go to that address. It opens a new tab right here. So follow an account. This is an example that's been given to you. So it's important for you to pay attention to these instructions because this instruction will actually help you. So so you don't make any mistakes and get banned or anything like that. So if you go, this is what you are you are required to actually follow, right? So I'm just gonna hit this. Okay, my Twitter is still loading up. So Twitter is still loading. This is it right here. I'm supposed to hit follow right here, right? That's what I'm supposed to do. But let's look at the instructions so that we don't make any mistakes. So I'm just going to come here, your username on Twitter, right? So these are the proofs that you're supposed to submit. So you're going to submitting your username on Twitter to show that you've done this job. The username, you put it right here, or upload a screenshot maximum. You can upload this or this, right? But I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. So let me log into my Twitter right now so that we can do this right now. So I'm logged into Twitter right now. So I'm just going to hit follow, right? I'm just going to hit follow. And my Twitter my Twitter username is Gerald underscore May, right? You can also follow me on Twitter if you're watching this video right now. You can follow me on Twitter. It's at Gerald underscore May right here. So I'm just going to come back to Picoworkers and put my proof because I've done the job. I'm just going to put at Gerald underscore UMEH, right? So or screenshot. So it says all, but some of them will require screenshots. So I'm just going to do the two so that you learn for the code, so that you learn exactly how it's done. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a screenshot of this. So it's I'm using this snipping tool. So you can just come to your Windows computer and type snipping tool. If you're on Windows, snipping tool is inbuilt on Windows, right? So this is it right here. Just click on it and it shows you this. So I come to new, then I drag this place, I drag this space, right? So it's saved on my computer. Save Twitter underscore proof proof, enter, and drop the. Oh, okay, this is how you used to work. Oh, you can actually upload image. Okay, beautiful. They have improved. So I'm just going to upload this directly into Picoworkers, right? And hit submit proof. Choose between a proof or a screenshot. Okay, it says all. You can choose one of these. So yeah, Let me remove this and hit submit proof. So it's important for you to pay attention to details, right? So your tax was submitted successfully. This is it right here. So 1 second ago, and if you look at this, you see that 2 cents is pending right now, right? So that's how easy it is to make money. So you can actually come to find job again and find something else. You can basically sit down right now, click on this guy, find out what they want you to do. This guy, there's no country, every country is accepted. Uh, this guy has been here for 2 years now, so he must be, like way up there. Then go to this website and click on Grammarly Add on the right sidebar using Mozilla, or Firework installed extension. Do not use a mobile phone. Then click on your sign up. Make sure you don't. So just look at it. Once you do this right now and submit the proof, you are going to be making $0.08. And if you see, this is time based, right? The wait is, you have to do this in 2 minutes and 6 seconds. You have to do this like instantly for you to get paid. So you have to also type your IP address for this. And how to type your IP address, get your IP address, just go on Google and search for what is my IP address. Enter, and it's going to tell you your IP address. Just this website right here. See my IP right now, right? So this is exactly how it works, guys. This is exactly how it works. So you can basically make money on Picoworkers. So yeah, coming to withdrawals, what you need to do, how to withdraw your money from Picoworkers. That's where people have issues, and people that have issues with IP conflict, when they try to submit something, it tells them that your IP address does not match. What happens is that you use a VPN to create your account, and you are now trying to work from somewhere else, submit proof from somewhere else. It will not work, right? So if you're in Nigeria and you open your account in the Nigeria, you have to also, when you're delivering job, it has to be done from Nigeria. When you are in the US and you open your account in the US, when you're delivering job, it has to be done in the US, right? If you're in Nigeria and your account is open in Singapore and you're trying to submit a proof from Nigeria, that means you have that IP address error that people always ask me about. That's how to fix it. Now, coming to the second one, how do you withdraw your money, right? How do you withdraw your money from Picoworkers? So I don't have any money in my balance right now. Yeah. But assuming I have money, if I come to wallet and come to withdrawals, you are going to see you have to make over $5.50 before you sign up, before you can withdraw your money. And withdrawal is processed within 10 business days. So you can actually request withdrawal from here. So you come to wallet, withdrawals, request withdrawals, and they can pay you with Skrill rather, PayPal or Litecoin, right? So if you are interested in knowing how to open a cryptocurrency account so you can withdraw with this, right? I'm going to be making that video. Just let me know in the comment section if you're interested in it, and I'll prioritize making that video for you guys. That's exactly how it works. So you can actually select how you want to withdraw your money. Everything is not highlighted because I do not have a balance that I can withdraw right now. So you just hit this, right? And submit your request. Submit your request for withdrawal, and the money will be sent to either your Skrill account or your PayPal account or your Litecoin account. But the interesting thing is that when it comes to PayPal, what Picoworkers does is that they are strict about making sure that the email address on your account matches the email address on your PayPal account to avoid fraud or people stealing other people's money. That's exactly how it works. So for me personally, I prefer using Litecoin, Bitcoin for withdrawals on Picoworkers, right? So yeah, that's exactly how it works. That's exactly how it works. So some alternatives to Picoworkers are things like if you're getting any value from this video before I get to alternatives, let me know in the comment section. And also consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. And also, like share this video with your friends so that they understand exactly how to make money online with Picoworkers, indeed Picoworkers tutorials or Picoworkers review, whatever you might call it. So yeah, so this is exactly how it works. So some of the alternatives to Picoworkers are there's rapid workers, all right? There's rapid workers. There's also micro workers. So these are some of the alternatives. They work the exact same way that Picoworkers does work. So you might consider trying this out also. Basically the same thing, the same process, the same everything, just a little similarity, differences here and there, right? But the concepts are all the same. That's the point I'm trying to make. So Picoworkers, rapid workers are some of the alternatives, guys. So like I said, if there's anything you're interested in, like how to open a cryptocurrency account or whatever, let me know in the comment section and I'll also making that video for you. Until I see you in my next video, guys, keep winning and don't forget that Gerald doves love you.
Bye.